Now, hormone replacement therapy, that's what I do every day for men with symptoms and confirmed with 2 lab tests. So we have to have both. You can't give people based on one time random tests with low testosterone. And they have to be healthy, slept well, didn't eat any junk food, and no much alcohol. So you want to have that and a good day. Testosterone replacement can restore your energy, libido, body composition, mood, and bone health. Delivery methods, we usually do gels, creams, patches. They even have oral now, and injections. I'm not a big fan of pellets because they are large doses that usually it's not a good get you some side effects. And we always monitor the hematocrit, the PSA, and the hematocrit is your how can thicken your blood, right? The hemoglobin and hematocrit, so it's a blood draw, and PSA is a blood draw to monitor your prostate. And any symptoms also is monitored every 3 to 4 months. I see my patients. You can't just disappear for a year. So how do you improve your hormone replacement therapy is by taking physiologic dosage, not a high dose, meaning like you're not taking large dose of testosterone that can cause side effects, move into estrogen, increase your DHT, and break down your hair.